Hello and welcome back, dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to write the factorial of a number in C. So I will write very simple program to print the factorial of user given input number. Okay guys, so let me first tell you what is factorial, and then after I will write very simple program. So factorial of 1 is 1, factorial of 2 is 2, factorial of 3 is 6, factorial of 4 is 24, and similar way you can say factorial of 5 is factorial of 4 into 5, factorial of 6 is factorial of 5 into 6. Like that you can proceed. I hope you know it better. Now I am going to implement the program. This is basic structure of C. You can write, even you can make void main and nothing return, but this is a standard. You have better to go with this basic. Okay, so factorial of given number, what things you need to. So first plan. So first you need one user input. So for that you need one variable. Okay guys, so int n, this is variable where you will take the user input, and then after to calculate the factorial you have to calculate factorial and print. So to store that value you have to declare one like f means factorial like value, and one I will give because I need some fixed number. So like you can multiply with that and you can find, you know, factorial of 2 is 1 into 2, factorial of 3 is 1 into 2 into 3. So like that you can go. So I am initializing f with 1, and like you have to also give one counter. So I is one counter, like you have to run the loop to calculate the factorial. For that I am giving I. As I move to program you will understand, and it with semicolon. So let me print it like on screen, so it will be much user friendly. So enter the number to find factorial. So it is asking to the user to give the input of a number to find the factorial. This is just the output on the console, but how to read that number? Using scanf. Okay, and what type of number you are reading? Decimal. So this is percentage d or percentage I, comma %, and n. So number you are reading. Then how you can calculate the factorial? So you have to like counter, you have to go and multiply from 1 to up to number 1 into 2 into 3, like that what the number is given. Okay, so I assume every number is greater than 0. It's simple I am making. So for I equal to 1 from 1, because you have to multiply from 1 itself, and I is less than equal to n up to number, and I plus 1 you will increment every time. If you don't know about for loop, later on I will cover in the theory series. This is programming, so I am not focusing. And as if I am going to write the next code in just one line, I need not to give the bracket. This I need not to give. Okay, because the first line is scope itself. Okay, so f equal to f into I. So 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 2 into 3 is 3, like that it will go up to n, and finally you will get the factorial stored in f. Now I am going to print of, and the factorial of percentage d, here I am using a specifier, and as I am taking different input from user, so I am making in that standard. The factorial of percentage d is how much? Percentile d. So like the factorial of given number is, here the calculation will come. So how many specifier I have used? 2. So I have to give 2 input. So this is factorial of this, like this is in order, it always come in order. So this is factorial of given number. So what is given user input? Given user input is 1, right? And what is the result? Factorial of f. So this comes under the second order. So what is that? So that is stored in f. So f I will print. Okay, so this is done. Let me run it and check it. So you can see it is asking enter the number to find factorial. Am I right? So like let me give 1. So you can see here the factorial of 1 is 1. So sorry, there is a spelling mistake. So the factorial of 1 is 1. Let me give the 2 and see. So factorial of 2 is 2. Let me give 3 and show you. The factorial of 3 is 6. You can see. Factorial of 4 is how much? 24. See. Factorial of 5 is how much? The factorial of 5 is 120. So you can see the factorial of 55. So it is 0. It is given. See how it is 0? Because that size is not enough. Later I will discuss. If you have doubt, please ask in comment section why it is 0. Let me also give some other number. The factorial of 15. It is this number. I am just telling the factorial of 55 is 0. How it is 0? It is just because of the size of data get varies. Let me give 56 and show you. So you try to find it why it is coming like 0. Okay, so this is one question to you, assignment. Please solve it and post your solution in comment section why the reason it is coming 0, and later on I will also clarify this in the comment section itself. Okay guys, so I hope I have done with. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like this video, and also click on bell icon so whenever I will upload the new video you will get notification. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with our channel. Happy learning.